In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save, open, and print a document, covering everything from the basics to some useful shortcuts. These simple tasks are things you'll find yourself doing regularly, so mastering them can make your workflow more efficient and much faster. Let's begin with saving a document. Saving your progress is crucial to avoid losing any of your hard work. To save a document using the menu, navigate to the top of your screen and click on File. Then select Save from the drop-down menu. If you're saving your document for the first time, a dialog box will pop up. Here, you can choose the folder where you'd like to save your document. Once you've found the perfect spot, type in a file name that you'll easily remember. After that, simply click Save. The default format is .odt, which stands for Open Document Text. However, if you prefer, you can switch to either .doc or .docx, the widely used Word formats, ensuring compatibility with other word processing software, but maybe you're already familiar with saving documents and want to save even quicker. You can use the toolbar instead. Locate the disk icon on your standard toolbar. It looks like a small floppy disk. A simple click on this icon will also save your document. Alternatively, you can use a handy keyboard shortcut by pressing Ctrl and S simultaneously. Next up, let's talk about how to open a document, which is just as important as saving one. To open a document from the menu, again, head to File at the top of your screen and select Open. This will allow you to browse through your computer's files, navigate to the location where your file is stored, select it, and then click Open. If you prefer using the toolbar for this function too, there's a folder icon you can click on, resembling an open file folder. Another quick method is to press Ctrl and O together on your keyboard to bring up the Open dialog. Finally, we'll cover printing a document. You'll find two main ways to print, depending on whether you want a quick print or need to adjust specific settings. For a quick print, locate the printer icon on the standard toolbar. It looks exactly like a small printer. Clicking on it will send your document directly to the printer. For those of you who like shortcuts, Ctrl and P will achieve the same result. But if you need more control over your printing options, go to File and then Print. Here, you can choose which printer to use, select specific pages you'd like to print, such as all, current, or a particular range. Decide how many copies you need, and when you're satisfied with the settings, click OK to start the printing process. I hope this guide helps you manage your documents more efficiently. Thanks for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.